Hello friends, today we will see the worksheet 1 of Maths chapter 4 ratio, proportion and unitary method. So our first question is express the following as ratios. A number 3 by 5 is equal to 3 is to the 5. B number 13 by 17 is equal to 13 is to the 17. C number 15 is equal to 15 is to the 1. Let's see our second question. Our second question is find the ratio of the shaded region to that of the whole figure. A number is how many boxes are there? Total 7 boxes. And how many boxes are shaded? 4 boxes. So 4 is to the 7. B number, how many parts are there? Total 8 parts. And how many parts are shaded? 3 parts. So ratio is 3 is to the 8. Our third question is express the following ratios in the simplest form. A number 36 meter to 16 meter. 36 by 16. So simplest form of 36 by 16 is 9 by 4. And ratio of 9 by 4 is 9 is to the 4. B number rupees 125 to rupees 35. Simplest form of 125 by 35 is 25 by 7. So ratio of 25 by 7 is 25 is to the 7. Let's see our fourth question. Our fourth question is express the following as ratio in the simplest form. A number 10 centimeter to 10 meter. So 10 centimeter 10 into 100. First we will convert meter into centimeter. So 10 centimeter divided by 1000 centimeter is equal to simplest form is it 1 by 100. So ratio is equal to 1 is to the 100. B number 45 minutes to 4 hour. So first we will convert hour into minutes. So 4 into 60. 45 divided by 240 is equal to 3 by 16. And ratio of 3 by 16 is 3 is to the 16. Let's see our fifth question. Our fifth question is which of the following pairs of ratio is greater? A number 5 is to the 8 or 4 is to the 5. So 5 by 8 or 4 by 5. We will do cross multiplication 5 by 8 and 4 by 5. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25 and 8 into 4 is equal to 32. So which one is greater? 4 by 5 is greater. So ratio of 4 by 5 is 4 is to the 5. Let's see our sixth question. Our sixth question is there are 50 students in a class. If 24 of them are boys, find the ratio of boys to girls. Total number of students 50. Number of boys is equal to 24. Then ratio of boys to girls is equal to, we will find the number of girls 50 minus 24 is equal to 26. So we will find the simplest form of 24 by 26. So simplest form of 24 by 26 is 12 by 13 and ratio of 12 by 13 is 12 is to the 13. So ratio of boys to girls is equal to 12 is to the 13. Let's see our seventh question. Our seventh question is Sahil ran a distance of 1.5 km and his younger sister could run only 500 meter. Express the distance as a ratio. Sahil ran distance is equal to 1.5 km and her younger sister could run only 500 meter. Ratio of distance. So we will find the ratio of distance 1.5 into 1000 divided by 500. So we will convert kilometer into meter. So 1500 by 500. So simplest form of 1500 and 500 is 3 by 1. So ratio of 3 by 1 is 3 is to the 1. So ratio of distance is 3 is to the 1. Let's see our eighth question. Our eighth question is out of 32-meter long cloth, 24 meter was used for making 8 frogs. Find the ratio of a number total cloth and cloth used. So length of cloth is equal to 32 meter. Length of cloth used 24 meter. Ratio of total cloth and cloth used is equal to, so 32 by 24. So simplest form of 32 by 24 is equal to 4 by 3, and ratio of 4 by 3 is 4 is to the 3. So ratio of total cloth and cloth used is 4 by 4 is to the 3. B number, remaining cloth and cloth used. Length of cloth used is equal to 24 meter. Ratio of remaining cloth and cloth used is equal to, so first we will find the remaining cloth. 32 minus 24 is equal to 8 meter is used. 8 meter is the remaining cloth. So 8 by 24. So simplest form of 8 by 24 is 1 by 3. So ratio of 1 by 3 is 1 is to the 3. So ratio of remaining cloth and cloth used is equal to 1 is to the 3. So let's see our ninth question. Our ninth question is, Mr. Arun earns rupees 9,500 per month and his wife earns rupees 8,000. Find the ratio of Mr. Arun's income to his wife's income. Mr. Arun earns rupees 9,500 and his wife earns rupees 8,000. Ratio of Mr. Arun's income to his wife's income. So we will find the simplest form of 9,500 by 8,000. So simplest form is 19 by 16. So ratio of 19 by 16 is 19 is to the 16. So ratio of Mr. Arun's income to his wife's income is 19 is to the 16. B number, wife's income to total income. Income is equal to 8,000. Total income is equal to, will plus, and we will add the Mr. Arun's income and his wife's income. So 7 rupees 17,500. So we will find the simplest form of 8,000 by 17,500. So simplest form is 16 by 35, and ratio of 16 by 35 is 16 is to the 35. Let's see our 10th question. In a dictation test of 20 words, Rohan spelled 18 words correctly. Find the ratio of total words to wrongly spelled words. 20, total words is equal to 20. Words Rohan spelled correctly is equal to 18. Ratio of total words to wrongly spelled words is equal to, we will find the, first we will find the wrongly spelled words is 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. So we will find the simplest form of 20 by 2 is equal to 10 by 1. So ratio of 10 by 1 is 10 is to the 1. B number, correctly spelled words to wrongly spelled words. Correctly spelled words is equal to 18 and wrongly spelled words is equal to 2. So ratio is 18 by 2. Simplest form is 9 by 1. So ratio is equal to 9 is to the 1. Let's see our 11th question. 11th question. Mrs. Sareen earns rupees 2,50,000 every year and pays rupees 24,000 as income tax. Find the ratio of income tax to income. Income of Mrs. Sareen is equal to rupees 2,50,000 and income tax is equal to rupees 24,000. Ratio of income tax to income is equal to, we will find the simplest form of 24,000 by 2,50,000. So simplest form is 12 by 125. So ratio is equal to 12 is to the 125. B number, income to income tax. Ratio of income to income tax is 125 is to the 12. So hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.